a southern gentleman.
Nice. Yeah.
Something like that. There might be too much room for jamming in there.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Okay.
This is where it starts.
Yeah. Just kind of
figure it out.
It's. I mean, that's one cool thing about it is there is a lot of room for like a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah. I grew up in Colorado, Summit County, Denver, Colorado Springs, and when I turned 23, I decided I wanted to pursue music professionally. So I moved out to LA, lived there for quite a while, had a couple record deals. They were all kind of sour, but I learned a lot through the experiences and really found out exactly where I want to go and who I want to be.
Yeah.
Musically and what I have to say.
Yeah.
And how I want to say. It's after the second chorus.
So we basically do intro, which you'll do like the melody on the harmonica, and we'll all kind of be just sort of supporting that. Then we'll do the verse, then the chorus, and then out of the chorus and that little turnaround, he'll do a little, not necessarily a solo, but just kind of a melody, a little sort of lead thing here, and then verse, chorus, and then goes to bridge right there.
It's 2 verses, a chorus, a jam, bridge, and then chorus out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I think I was totally.
All right, so let's go from the jam.
So let's just rewrite the whole
The
song.
jam, which is right after the first chorus, right?
Right after the first chorus.
Okay.
So we'll pick it up and we'll go, basically, we'll just do a chorus riff worth.
Okay.
Is that cool?
But I do want to thank you though for letting me just keep going. Get the whole thought out.
Well, my father was a singer-songwriter way back, and I remember laying on the floor next to him vividly playing the guitar that you saw in the video today. That was his guitar. Laying next to him, and he was playing on his back, and he was blowing smoke rings, and then he would them float up above us, and he'd play his songs, and that's where I really acquired the love for music, and that's where I wanted to go with music, and then started writing really young. My dad would catch me playing his guitar, so he decided to buy me a guitar and taught me some chords, and said, cool. All right, don't do it.
Just kind of
don't do it, but have fun playing,
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's where it started.
Right there, I just had thought you were playing. So you sing that I've been domesticated, and while he's doing that fill, you do like a big slap.
Like from low or high, like or
I've been domesticated.
Middle one or high one? Or
maybe that one. I don't know.
Pick one.
There ain't 2 ways to say it. I've been domesticated.
Yeah,
That's really cool.
All right, that works.
Cool. We got a thing.
So it was just sort of a natural progression. You had gotten some chords, and then you just kind of started putting some thoughts on paper, and
Yeah, I think I wrote my first real song when I was 12 or 13. Went and played a coffee shop in Colorado Springs, and I was so nervous. So nervous. I was shaking all the way through the song and forgetting words. And my dad was in the back. I could see him staring at me, and he was like, "Don't mess up." But they were proud of me, and they figured that was pretty much the end of it. But that was the beginning. That was where it all started.
Well, thank you again for coming. That was a good time.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
yeah. Oh yeah, totally Grammy worthy.
Yeah, that sounds great. Sounds good. It's always a good sign when it sounds pretty good.
Already,
Just in the room.